Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily challenge, that is, function, getOddEvenString. The function getOddEvenString takes an integer n as input and returns a dynamically allocated character array, string. Allocating memory for the result string. The size is set to 20 characters, assuming it won't exceed this length. Initializing an index variable I to keep track of the position in the result string. A loop to process each digit of the input number, n, from the least significant digit to the most significant digit. Extracting the last digit of the number and storing it in the variable d. Replacing the digit with e if it's even and o if it's odd. Incrementing the index I afterward. Truncating the last digit of the number to move on to the next digit in the next iteration. Null terminating the result string to mark the end of the generated string. Reversing the result string by swapping characters from the beginning to the end and vice versa. Returning the dynamically allocated and processed result string. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.